In this video, we're going to talk about two different ways to customize your Canvas. First, we're going to talk about notification settings. To access the notification settings and to adjust your preferences, go to the Account tab on the left-hand side of your menu. Then click on the third link called Notifications. This will bring you to the notification preferences. As you can see, there are a variety of different messages that may be sent to your Harvard Chan email. These include a variety of different topics, including course activities, different kinds of discussion posts, conversations, scheduling, groups, alerts, and conferences. Different ways notifications can be sent to you include your email address or a push notification to a device that you've set up through Canvas. This might be a tablet or a cell phone. Push notifications or email notifications can be sent to you at a variety of different frequencies. This includes immediately, daily, weekly, or not sent at all. And so each notification can be adjusted to your own specific preference. When selecting your notification preference, it's important to keep in mind that all of the preferences apply to all the courses that you're taking in a specific semester and cannot be adjusted per course. We also want to remind you that as a faculty member or instructor may adjust course content or a due date, it's important to keep in mind that if you have a preference set to a weekly summary or a setting such as not at all, you may not receive an update about course content being updated or a due date being updated until too late. And so these are important items to keep in mind should you want to be alerted about these kinds of content changes in a more prompt manner. Now we're going to move on to how to customize a course list. To customize a course list, this will be the third tab on your left-hand side menu. This will be a great way to adjust how to see which courses are active for a specific semester. To do this, click on All Courses. To show which courses will appear in this menu, you will want to select or deselect which courses have this orange star. All you need to do is select the courses for the specific semester. It's a fun and easy little way to show which courses are going to be showing up here in this small little menu. Some other important information just to know about is that you can see your course title, the nickname that we provided and discussed earlier on over here in the dashboard section, the term, as well as your enrollment. So whether you're a student, waitlisted, maybe you're a TA in the section, as well as whether or not the course is published. A published site is an important thing to just keep in mind, specifically if a course is not published yet, because this will mean that you don't yet have access to the course site. So you won't be able to see the course materials, which mean the reading or the assignments. So just likely the site will be published by the first day of class. So it's not that anything is wrong, it's just that the materials aren't quite ready yet. So just keep that in mind. So you'll be able to track that on your All Courses page. So that's it for the customized ways to customize your Canvas site.